Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to turn off roaming clock in Samsung Galaxy S22. So where to look for this and how to turn it off. Of course, we have to go to settings, then in lock screen we have our roaming clock. By default it's turned on. What does it do? As you can see in the description, show the time both where you are and at home while you are roaming, and we can set up our time here. To turn it off, we simply uncheck this little box, and now our roaming clock is turned off. As you can see, our time here is grayed out, and that's basically it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.